Good morning. It is 10 a.m. in New York, and my friend and I are having a little bit of a late start today, but it's only because we went out last night and I didn't really film anything at all because whenever I'm in the city, I usually kind of like living in the moment and just really experiencing everything as it comes and not really focus a whole lot on filming. But yeah, pretty much we ended up singing Justin Bieber and dancing in the street. Ended our night breaking things at the Break Bar. So yeah, it was really a good time. So we got here yesterday and checked into our apartment for the weekend through Blueground, which is a rental company that offers longer stays. And we thought that this was perfect for this weekend specifically because we wanted something in the city, but we also wanted something like homey, and this is exactly that. And if you've ever been to New York or any apartment here, you know how small and cramped it is. It's actually insane. But this apartment is not that. There's so much room. My friend and I both have bedrooms. We have a full kitchen. It's just been a really convenient way of just spending time in the city and then coming back to this homey apartment, and they gave us everything that we needed. Overall, just an amazing experience so far. So it's supposed to rain most of the day today, so I think what we're gonna do is just get some groceries, make some home-cooked meal, and have some coffee and just explore the city as much as we can, even though it is raining. But I'm just excited to be here. It's always such a good time here.
This is my ugly umbrella. Actually, it's kind of cool.
find my straw. How's your lipstick?
Not as good as it was before I lost my shit.
So showing her tea on Facebook Marketplace.
Just being like, hi, and that's it. That was this is huge. This is the size of my head.
This is ginormous, yeah.
Big.
This is half my head.
Hope it makes me drunk. Okay, what was I supposed to do? Cheers?
Oh, yeah. This is confusing with two of these. Two
straws. How are we supposed to deal with
Okay,
two
anyways,
straws?
we're gonna cheers because we're friends and we like each other.
I thought we were girlfriends, but okay.
Okay, yeah, I mean we are.